In this video, a brief guide on how to use navigation in the most precise manner. It seems everyone knows how to do this, but many, especially beginners, make various mistakes. I personally drive professionally using TomTom and supplement with Google Maps. But this method also works with other devices and maps, Bing Maps or OpenStreetMap. I do not recommend the last one because it lacks satellite view. In the UK, there's an excellent postcode system that greatly simplifies matters. But even the method of searching for an address via postcode can sometimes fail, as we might encounter something like this. Then it's easy to make a mistake. Here's how I do it. I enter the postcode in Google Maps. I switch to satellite view. I zoom in and search for my destination. Many times I've had an old company name on documents, a mistake in the postcode, or even just the postcode without other info. The most important thing is to check if a truck can even enter there. It's also good to look at the street view. When we're sure that's the place we're looking for, we hold our finger on the map to mark the spot. We're interested in the latitude and longitude given in decimal form. Then we move to our navigation. We click Menu, then Search. In the top right corner, we click Whole Map. We select latitude and longitude. And there we enter the value from Google Maps. At this moment, the marker is exactly where we want it. This method also works in Sigic, Waze, Garmin, and other navigation systems. Don't go in blind. Check the map before you head out. I hope this video helps someone. At first, it's hard to switch to satellite view, but I guarantee it will be like learning to reverse park a car. Once you learn this method, you won't do it any other way. Safe travels.